Hello, I'm back with a new dessert, and this is called the Triple Delight. We're going to take 20 grams of China grass, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 cups of water. This is fresh strawberry. We have pureed it, beat it up in a mixer. Take around 1 cup of strawberry puree, 1 cup, and we have apple crush here. This is half a cup of apple crush. You can add a little bit of green coloring to have the 3 layers of different colors, and a little bit of red strawberry color, and 1 tin of condensed milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now we're going to soak the China grass in water for 10 to 15 minutes and divide the China grass into 3. Divide the condensed milk also into 3, and take 1 part of the China grass and boil the cocoa powder with it, along with it, and 1 part of the condensed milk. Once that's done, we're going to pour it with 1 tablespoon of sugar. So 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 part of the China grass, and 1 part, so 3:1, 1 part of the condensed milk and 1 tablespoon of sugar. You do it 3 times, 3 different times. Don't boil it together because we need time for setting. So first layer will be the cocoa layer. Once that's boiled and done, we are going to next take the next part. After it's set, take the second part, and the second part of the China grass, the water and the condensed milk, boil it, and then with the second layer will be strawberry, or that's according to your wish. You can use the apple crush or the strawberry. Once the first layer is set, then pour in the second layer, the strawberry layer, and the third layer, third part of the China grass. Boil it again with 1 part of the condensed milk, and then mix in the apple crush and the sugar and do the final layer. And we're going to take half a cup of fresh cream, layer it with the 3 colors on top of the final layer. So now let's get going with the method. So we have the cocoa layer, the first layer, and we have poured it into the dish and going to set it in the refrigerator. And then the next layer will be the strawberry layer, that is with 1 part of the China grass, 1 part of the condensed milk, sugar and the strawberries. Mix it together, and once this first layer is set, pour in the second layer. So we have our China grass melting. First soak the China grass, then we melt it. Once it's melted, we'll pour in the 1 part of the condensed milk and the strawberry and sugar and mix it well and pour the second layer. I've poured in the strawberries and a little bit of red coloring. Next we're going to pour in the condensed milk and let it sit. Keep stirring. I've added the sugar, the condensed milk, the strawberry and the China grass. A little bit of the strawberry color. If you want, you can add in the Hershey's strawberry syrup a little bit for flavoring. Let's slowly, gently pour over the second layer of the strawberry. Now we have put the second layer. We're going to let it set in the refrigerator before we pour the third layer, the apple crush layer. We're going in for the third layer. We're going to melt the China grass, then add in the apple crush. And this is the fresh cream powder, which I'm going to add a little bit of ice water, cold water, and beat it up. This is going to have a half cup of fresh cream. Now I'm going to add in the apple crush into this mixture. I've added the Milkmaid, the condensed milk, Once the 2 layers are set, we're going to pour in the 3rd layer, and the final layer will be green, brown, and the strawberry colored rainbow color of the fresh cream. Now the 2nd layer is set. We are slowly, gently going to pour over the 3rd layer. See, now we're going to set it in the refrigerator with all the 3 layers and 3 different colors. Children are going to love this pudding, this dessert. Now we're going to beat up the fresh cream and do the final layering. Beat up the cream till it stands in peak. Going to add in the green color, the crush, the strawberry and the chocolate, and make it into a multicolored layer. Now spread this evenly on top of the set pudding. So now it's done with your layered fresh cream, and see the different layers of your pudding. Hope you enjoy this new dessert. Thank you for watching my video. I'll be back soon with another new recipe, with another new dessert. Children are going to love this new dessert. Set it and have it fresh with your biryani or pulao. Thank you.